Yes. Thanks. Parang I'm gonna have my birthday dinner.
We're done, guys.
Pre-game bago mag-Japan.
I have here yung ganito po. Mga level.
Hi guys! Come with us for our first trip this 2025. Okay, so 12 hours before our boarding time. This is the sitch. But yeah, let's go! Time check, it's 11:10 and ito yung situation natin ngayon sa pagpapak. Hindi pa tayo done. And we need to leave like around mga 2 or 3 AM. No, 2 pala. Kasi more or less 1 hour to the airport. So yan, konti na lang. Let's go. We're here.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Hindi ko maririnig na. Gaan itong kulay.
Pero meron.
Ay.
Hi guys, nakapila kami now sa check-in counter. It's Babo's birthday. We're with our friends again. Hello! Happy birthday! And we're all checked in and we're done sa immigration. Punta tayo sa lounge. Sana hindi puno yung yung birthday girl. Punta tayo sa lounge. Sana hindi puno yung pags. Wrong time na ba? Wait, check na. Time check. 4:32. Boarding namin is around 6:10 pa naman. So, sama kayo again sa amin. This is Babo's birthday trip and it's our 3rd year anniversary kasi nag-Holy Union kami 3 years ago. So, kasama ulit namin si Jessa and si Rio, yung friends namin from the last travel vlog, yung Bangkok series. So, sige, tara, pakita natin yung food and din nga hopefully hindi puno yung packs. See you later! Unfortunately, puno. 45 minutes on hour waiting pa daw. Sad. Pwede naman. Kasi kung 45 minutes to 1 hour, mga 5:30 pa lang yun. Pwede pa tayo mag-snack pero naka-eat na kami nun sa 1 hour waiting na yun. So, tara. Hanap muna kami. Ayan ang mga sumakses pero nasawi. Si birthday girl. Hey girl.
Si Jessa nagluto pa daw ng Caribbean babe. Naka-dream.
Talaga?
Sorry. Hindi na daw sila tuloy sa ano. Ay, na daw sila tuloy kay Sunshine. Bakit? Kasama na sila sa
No rice.
and sour chicken.
Babe. Wow. What are you excited the most about this trip? Oh, di ba? Kasasabi mo lang, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Babe, it's my birthday.
Video pala.
Video pala. So, we're boarding. Still early. I think around 6:20. So, on time naman tayo. Yeah, and it's a big plane. I think it's an A220. May ganun ba? A320 lang kasi alam ko. It's a big plane again.
The aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones.
Laki ng plane. I mean, it's the new Neo something. Toilet.
And to expedite the boarding process, may we request...
Hi guys, we're seated. Madam is back. The birthday girl is back from the lavatory. Anyway, it's just the two of us here. This is not an exit row pala ha. Talagang dalawa lang yung seat. We're so lucky.
Hi guys, it's February 19.
Bulong pala.
And February 19 is my birthday. HBD to me and to Christine Reyes. We're going to my favorite country. Is this your favorite country?
Yeah.
Yeah, not Japan.
I mean, we've only been to Japan once, so... But yeah, I think I can consider it as my favorite country na din.
Arting. Bye. See you later.
Update guys, we're deplaning. May technical difficulty na hindi din namin alam. It will take some time daw, sabi ng maintenance. So mag-wait kami ng next plane. So yun guys, we're heading towards gate 107. May plane naman na rin daw agad. And then we got free snacks to compensate for the delay. Ayan, bottled water, blueberry, and presto! Hindi kasi sick yung dog namin, si Kuya Weapon. Siguro di pinapadelay niya, sabi niya kay Lord. Joke! So hopefully, boarding na rin agad, when we get there sa gate 1. Ayan, ayan. Sige, ano yan? Sige, update na lang namin kayo again when we get there. Or kapag boarding na ulit. Or kapag nakapag-depart na yung plane. This is the sitch. See ya! Guys, take 2. Naka-board na ulit kami. Or, I mean, still, parang ito pa rin yung same exact plane. Inayos lang kasi 4 hours na eh. Wish us luck. Char! See you na talaga for real in Taiwan. Almost here na.
Yes. Mag-face mask kasi may measles daw dito. May outbreak. Tapos sa influenza pa. Alcohol always.
Here. Finally here in Taiwan. So, because of the 4-hour delay, bibigyan daw nila kami ng free voucher within Philippines lang, I think. Regional daw. So, yeah. Claim lang natin yung baggage and then we'll get the rest. I think SIM cards, withdraw, easy card. Ayan. Nag-mask na rin kami because you know naman. Mag-claim na daw ako ng SIM. Babush. See you later. Okay, so maghahanap lang ako ng mapag-withdrawan and then I'll get my SIM card. Hindi ako nag-eSIM kasi sayang yung points ko sa Klook. Though may eSIM doon, pero ewan ko, next time na lang. Okay? Ayan, lalabas na. Arrival hall. Welcome to Taiwan! Okay, pupunta pala ako sa counter 6 kasi that's where I'm claiming the SIM card. Counter 6, let's go. And then saka na lang mag-withdraw. Or whatever, kung ano mauna ko makita. This is the arrival hall. Yan. SIM cards, prepaid cards. Sige, hanapin ko muna. Okay, so I found the ATM. Pero medyo mahaba pa yung pila. Like, dalawa silang mahaba yung pila. So, etong sa Klook SIM na lang muna. I'll just claim my SIM. And then I'll go back to line up for the withdrawal ng money. So, pagod na kami. We're supposed to get here like around 9:30 in the morning. So, plan was to get to Simending as soon as possible. And then, yeah, have brunch. I mean, leave our luggages, of course, brunch. And then, go to Longshan Temple. And then, go back to check in. But then, it's now 2:50. Grabe. 2:50. We lined up sa quarantine and immigration. That's two separate lines. But the quarantine took only less than 10 minutes. Pero doon sa immigration, I think 30 minutes. Mukha lang matagal. Kasi nga, ang haba ng pila. Pero moving naman. So yeah. So I'll claim the SIM here. So if nagbook kayo ng SIM sa or router sa Klook, this is where you can claim it. This is, I think, counter 6 in Terminal 1. Okay, so yeah. The way, ito yung mga updated rates if you get directly here. Yan. Yan. So, got the goods, guys. Ito yung SIM here. It's the 5-day SIM from Chunghwa. 4G lang yung kinuha ko kasi we got a free pocket Wi-Fi. I'll tell you about it siguro later. Pero free yun from the Taiwan tourism. And this one's less than 400 because I have Klook points. Yeah, 5-day unlimited pass. Mabilis to. Mabilis to. I mean, of course, 2 years ago pa yung last time I got the SIM. Pero, I mean, the last time I tried using yung ganitong SIM nila. Pero, I think, reliable siya. This is our 5th time in Taiwan. And I think, this is also the 5th time or the 4th time I got yung SIM from either Senao or Chunghwa Telecom. I think the first time or second time nag-pocket Wi-Fi kami. Pero majority of the time naka-ano SIM card. Reliable to. And again, like I said, meron naman akong pocket Wi-Fi. Backup lang to. I'll stick to pocket Wi-Fi kasi naka-roaming ako. You know, just in case mag-OTP yung GCash or yung debit or yung credit card. So, yeah. Hanapin ko nila Tish. Kasi sabi ko mauna ako to claim this. And then sila yung nag-claim nung baggage namin. So, mag-line up pala ako sa ATM. Buti naalala ko. Sige. Ito. Ito, medyo mahaba siya eh. This is just both bot eh, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Bank of Taiwan bot. Oh, haba ng line. Sige, dito tayo sa shorter. Yung direct sa currency exchange counter. Like katabi niya literal. There. So, hopefully makita nila ako. Medyo memorize na ni Tish dito. Paglabas lang naman. So, update ko kayo magkano yung rates. I'll use GCash card to withdraw. Visa na GCash card. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's 1.80 and definitely may difference dito sa airport kahit na wala daw withdrawal or transaction fee sa GCash. Pero siguro mag-withdraw lang ako just for today na cash kasi we need to top up yung easy card namin for the bus going to Simending. And then the rest siguro mag-withdraw na lang ako later sa city. So yun, sobrang tired na. Nagsi-space out na ako. Sana kinaya nilang tatlo yung 4 na large luggage. I'll update later. Okay, so we're finally together again. And Taiwan, the Lucky Land kami. Wala ni isang nanalo. Pero very quick lang naman yung line. So, we'll head down. Eh, sira, no? We'll head down para bus.
Hi guys, so nag-Lucky Land kami kasi wala nga nanalo. So after arrival hall, magbabus kasi kami. So ayan siya. After arrival hall, dun sa may Lucky Land, merong elevator. And then sa 1 baba lang. Andito na yung bus stop. So ayan sila. Wait lang, I'm gonna zoom. Oopsie. Basta andyan sila sa 7-Eleven. They're buying card para sa bus and trains. Cause magko-commute lang kami. Kasi if mag-Uber kami, can take Uber pero 1,700 something NTD for 6. That's a big one kasi ang dami naming luggages. So magko-commute na lang kami.
Wala na mo tayo. Bilisan natin yung stock ngayon.
Kasi minsan nakita ko yung iba, kahit na may slot na sila, hindi pa rin ako tagal sila mag-line. Pero binigyan niya na ako nito eh. Wala kang slot, hindi ba tayo bayad?
We have alcohol.
Alright, so ayan.
Alcohol.
Ayan. This is our bus stop. Pero we'll use our easy cards to pay for the bus. Doon na. Nice. Ayan. Snack. Ayan, mga pagod. Mga hindi sumakses.
Hindi sumakses for today's video.
Yung 9:30 naging 3:30. So ako, I'm just having iced latte. Just having.
Convenient.
I'm just gonna have iced latte. Ito, di ba, number 1, down.
May instructions din. Pero hindi ko
Yan. And then number 2. Pero need mo ipitin si number 3 muna kasi sasama. So, hold mo number 3 while you take out itong si number 2. Careful. Ganon. Yan. Ganon.
Loy, nawala yung
Kaya nga.
isa.
Kasi ganyan talaga siya eh. O sige, help ko muna siya guys.
So, for the hulas na kami.
Yeah, I already told them.
Really? So, from Taoyuan Airport, we'll take the City Air bus. Tapos, 10. City Air bus 10. Pero bus number 1961 papuntang Simending. Yan, we're waiting for the bus kasi 4 o'clock pa yung schedule. Right, babe? So, this is Babu's Travels and Tours. Thanks.
We're just waiting for bus, City Air bus 1961. It's from Terminal 1 ng Taoyuan Airport straight to Simending. I think 30-45 minutes yung travel time. Pero I think hindi ka pwede straight dito sa line. Need mo magpunta dun sa counter nila inside. And then they'll give you your parang stub. Parang queue mo na rin siya lumalabas. And then once merong you can line up here. Yun. Monitor nyo lang. Pag nag-start na magkaroon ng line na rin kayo. Kasi minsan kahit na binigyan na kayo ng counter ng stub. Pag sobra na rin yung naka-line up, next bus ka rin. Nami-miss mo rin yung current na or yung parating na schedule bus. So next schedule na kayo. Birthday daw niya na naman. Oh, it's still Feb 19. Kahit na parang 24 hours na kami nagta-travel. Ako, but literally 24 hours na kaming gising. So, ayan. 4:05, 7 minutes. Sige. We'll see you when we get there. Ganda ng time. Ganda siya.
Already 5. Malas kami ng bahay 2 a.m. 2:30? 2 a.m.
So, mga around 15 hours.
Yeah. Papuntang Taiwan. 1.5 hours lang papuntang Taiwan.
Naging 15 hours.
Naging 15 hours. Grabe. KO yung KO. It's still my birthday. Where's my cake, babe?
Gone.
No more.
Kinaya natin yun.
Until later.
Yeah, later again.
Okay.
Ang lamig. Kaya ba yung maleta natin?
Diba? Ano lang, fake news. Yung 18, sa lahat ng punta natin dito, ganun talaga.
11 na ata.
Welcome to Taiwan. 15 hours, ano?
Lagi literal 15 hours travel natin.
15 hours travel. Taiwan, saan ba tayo galing? Sa western country ata tayo galing. 15 hours yung travel natin.
Layover tayo sa Q.
Galing tayong Dubai. Yeah, thank you. Siya siya ka-stopping.
Stopping stage. Yun, mag-ice cream ka nga. Ilibre ko kayo ice cream.
Sure!
Roger.
Parang self-check-in, no? Tapos ikaw na rin magbabayad. Di ba, babe? Tapos dito magbabayad. Tatap nyo lang yung card here. So cool.
Ano to kayo? City, oo. City night market tayo.
So that's gonna be like 30.
ID card. Anong gusto niya?
Anyway, basta ganyan yan, guys.
Passport.
Tapos, yan. O, pati passport pala. Anong name ito? Gugis Inn.
Please wait. Okay, let's do room tour. Quick lang. Self-check-in lang siya. And then this is the room for 2. There split type aircon. Bedside tables. Both sides. I think queen bed. Pero parang 2 single siya.
So, wala na yung kay Lario. Kasi parang may ganun.
And then, we have flat screen.
Pero
okay.
baka lang kasi katulad
Table.
sila dun.
Mini fridge.
Diba mukhang office eh.
Okay.
Then, the CR is nice. Come,
And we have hangers there. Ah, okay.
Okay siya.
Yeah.
Renovated talaga to. Pero,
Yeah.
yung smell, guys, it's the same. Amoy molds.
Yeah, medyo musty talaga yung smell.
Nakastay
Kasi-
na rin kami sa ganun.
And kasi walang window. Tapos, di ba, medyo nag-winter nga dito.
Oh, it's nice though. It's okay.
So,
For the price.
very common naman na yung ganitong smell eh. Pero of course, hindi ganito sa mga, like, alam niyo na, mga 4-star, 5-star hotel.
It's nice for the price.
Yeah. We got this for mga 15, 16K for
Hindi ka na alam mo ba
5
kung
nights.
na? So, mga 1
So,
hour and 30 minutes.
sobrang good deal na nito. So, dyan lang. Figure out na lang namin tong 4 na to later. We'll take a quick rest. And then, shower na.
Ay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, that's it for now. Mag-charge muna kami kasi sobrang low bat na nito. 15 hours na to. And then, yung mga devices namin. Then, we'll see you outside. Bye-bye. See you later.
Hey.
Fully book ba yung ganun, babe?
We're gonna have my birthday dinner. Where? Here.
What?
We're gonna have my birthday dinner. Mag-virgin lang muna ako. So, pareha tayo ng order. Tig-isa lahat. One of all.
At least na 1 liter na yung aquapana. Ano, babe? Ay, nag-record pala. Pero there, hindi tayo. Hindi na tayo na lang mag-cut. Nakalimutan ko paano eh. May nabasa ko, parang every 3 months change na ng menu. May nabasa ko sa main na parang tom yum something kasi wala na ngayon. So, tinry siguro nila dito sa appetizer. Ang tom yum. Nag-tom yum kayo nung nasa lapang ko. Tom yum. Yata. Sabaw siya may noodles and seafood.
Dapat tayo nung na-step tayo ba? Tayo na step dati. Pamilya yung lang.
开放的城市氛围，那阿布达比就是也想冷静，因为他们就杜拜因为高速降速，然后赚很多钱。
杜拜，我们说杜拜其实就是在沙漠里面的拉斯维加斯。
对啊，他们有啊，他们想要。
Sarap yung drinks.
Beer lang naman. Takman niya.
We use a roasted way to create this crispy skin, and together with Taiwanese barbecue sauce. On the side dish, we have the fruit corn and Taiwanese pickled cabbage. Yeah, enjoy. Thank you.
Ready.
Ano yung isa?
USDA.
Short rib.
This one you want the bacon. Sige, go.
Ang sarap. Ngayon mo naman sa cord kasi wala pang laminasan mo.
Pork. Pork. Kasi ito nga yung masama niya for
Kaya kagalutuan niya.
Yeah, babe.
Diba?
Sana maputi.
Kaya kitang lutuan niya.
Anong gula ba ito? Parang fennel ba?
Sauce yan.
Here's a US short ribs. We cook this medium. On the side, we go with the soybean salted sauce. And the other side, we use red carrot and ginger to make the puree. And we have Taiwanese pickled cabbage with a butter bok choy together. Enjoy.
Ano gusto mo? Paluto ko.
Ginalaw ko yung kanina. Alam ko ang masarap.
Dapat kaya mo nawala.
We're done, guys. Nag-very light dinner lang kami. Kasi pagod eh. Hindi kaya masyado na stomach namin ng mga heavy meal na yan. punta kami ng Ximending. Well, babalik kami doon kasi doon naman yung namin, hotel stay namin. Stay in, whatever you wanna call it. If hindi siya pasok sa feeling ko ako yung standard siya as a hotel.
Ayan ka lang, Til.
So yun nga. Magtataxi na lang kami again. Going back to Ximending kasi it's just less than 20 minutes. Kaya mag-bus kami ng 40 minutes. So tara, tama kayo sa amin. Okay, so we're back dito sa area namin. Sa Ximending. Seaman Walker.
Ang misting kitong po.
Doon pa. Walking tayo. Mag-drink lang kami and then balik na rin kasi we have a tour tomorrow. Super buhay pa rin ang Ximending even though it's ano na 11, almost 11. Diba? Pop Mart.
Ito may bata.
Daming street. Diba dito na sila, babe?
Ayun yung beef. Yes, I already tried. We're finding izakaya. Parang izakaya dito sa Ximending. Beer? Oh, sarap ng potato! Sister! Ayan, corn! Beso ka mo yan? Pero wala. Ang ano yan?
Butter and salt.
And cheese.
Ayoko. Pre-game bago mag-Japan.
Ano nga to? Pork belly.
Salt something na.
Spice salt. Oh, nice. Welcome to Japan. Oy!
Cartilage siya, chicken.
Wow! Ayan na, lady.
Sarap chicken, tapos ito po.
Sa pang choya, Rio.
Dalawa pa.
Ay, dalawa ba? Wala ba kayo 1 litro dyan?
Bitin eh. Date!
Update.
Quarter to 1.
Nalashing.
And nag-drink lang kaming konti.
Konti?
Pabalik na kami sa room. Those dogos are just the cutest. Kita nyo ba yon? Basta kita nyo yun. Cute, no? Cute. Yan. Ximending!
Ikaw.
Ano to? Anong copy? Ito, yung 4. Siyempre.
Ilan ba dapat? Hindi na tayo sisingilin ng isa pa niyan. Kung ano lang.
Ano, hindi ko maintindihan.
Naka-1 ka na nito. Isa ka na nito.
Google Translate.
I-scan nyo yung QR code para makakuha kayo ng soft copy. Ito yan, alam ko ha. Sa pagkaalam ko ha. Makakakuha kayo ng soft copy niyan.
Yan. Long press to save image. Yan.
Oh, di ba sabi sa'yo, kuha niyo yung soft copy.
Tapos naiuwi ko pala to.
Isang copy lang, hindi ba dalawa yan?
Hindi ko sure, babe. Yan na yun.
Parang isa lang.
O, hayaan yun na may soft copy naman tayo.
Shoot. Isa lang na.
Siguro hindi nila akong parang okay lang.
It's okay.
Hatiin na lang natin.
Hi guys, we're here in 7-Eleven. I'm gonna get some midnight snack. So, wala masyado laman.
Ay, tomorrow ka na
They
lang.
have hot
Do you want
drinks
hot drinks tonight?
Oh, there's hot dog. Masarap yung hot dog dito. Masarap yan. And yan.
Di ba they always have naman
Mga ganito. Yan, masasarap to guys. Masasarap yung breads sa 7-Eleven. Sa Taiwan, sa Thailand, sa Hong Kong. Di ba, no, babe?
Yes.
Anyway, we're gonna buy first and then we'll see you again later.
Ito yung gusto ni Tita Moni.
Ay, oo, masarap to. Sige, you buy if you want.
Get na tayo ito. One lang.
And then, gusto ko ulit nito.
Di one lang din. Abalone.
Abalone.
Pork floss.
Wait. Okay, wait lang, guys. And they have here yung ganito, pudding. May ganito rin sa Japan. Masarap yung ganito sa Japan. But I think it's the same. Do you want?
Share naman tayo.
Next time. Ay, maybe tomorrow we'll
Hindi, we
buy.
have fridge. If you want, get na natin. Tapos lagyan na sa fridge.
Tomorrow na. Para tomorrow na. Anyway, I'm just gonna get my drinks. I want milk. If may papaya milk. Masarap yung papaya milk, guys. If nasa Taiwan kayo, try nyo yung papaya milk. Lalo na sa Kaohsiung, yung fresh. Pero dito, let's see if there's papaya milk. Walang papaya milk. Ah, papaya ba to? Wait, let's search. Okay. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. So, just... Ah, there! This is papaya? Ay, ulong. I want papaya. Wait lang. So, like, we can't understand. I think there's no papaya milk.
May ref tayo, no?
Yes, may ref. So, warm milk na lang. Ay, may tag-iisa. Okay, let's try one. And then we're getting one hot dog lang. Only one hot dog. Ayoko nung, nung bread. Ovaltine. Ay, hindi. Warm milk na lang pala. Ay, sige. Warm Ovaltine na lang. That's warm?
Yes.
Yeah. Warm Ovaltine. Yun. And then... Warm na yan?
Yes, warm.
Okay, warm. So, here guys. Init your ulo. Kami mag-iinit nito. What's that ba? Ano yan? Anong name yan? Basta para siyang gyoza na. Okay guys, so ito yung mga nabay namin sa 7-Eleven. This is hot dog. Sa 7-Eleven nila here sa Taiwan, meron 3 kinds or 4 kinds na hot dogs. Yeah, there's American hot dog and then triple cheese hot dog and then Japanese style hot dog. And then ito, this is how much? 38. Ito Japanese to. And then this is ano ba to? Yan, garlic sausage and pork bento. And yan, 89 NTD siya. And ito, parang ano to, dumplings.
Steamed gyoza.
Gyoza na vegetable and pork yung laman. And this is, ano lang, magkano lang to? 55 NTD. Ayan o, kabalikan kasi. And then, itong strawberry milk ni Beibu. And of course, the magic coconut water. 85? I don't know. Anyway, 85?
You said.
Nakita ko lang pero hindi ko alam. Anyway, ayan. Syempre, kasi nakainom kami. Ako pala, lalo, I need this. Kasi maaga kami tomorrow. So, yun, we're gonna eat lang and then we're going to sleep na. So, good night. That ends my birthday. Bye-bye.
First day.
Yeah. See you on our next vlog. Bye.
So, yan yung falls. Hindi ko nga din alam saan mas better yung... Baka kung saan tayo pinatawag ni Amy.